Oh, let's go for Wessex blades. I almost had something going really cool there. I've been hanging this knife on a fishing line because I had a sort of a Tony Curtis moment there. That blade and this blade, after we're on the grinder, new toy, I managed to magnetise this one. It's definitely polarised one way as opposed to another, but it ain't quite enough to turn it into a Viking. Worth a try, worth a try. It's not quite enough there, so I'm looking for a knife now to cut this. Oh, there's one. Anyway, new toy. Not a cheap one. That there. This is what we call a deburring wheel. So like you come off of there and this will knock the corners off, sharp corners. So sort of sharp corners off of this, like that. So if you had your blade like that, it's got a lot of scale on it, you want to get rid of it. Pretty too. What I did was plug a bit of wood in and screwed it on. As you do. Yeah, pretty good. Put the mask on it. Alright. It's gonna love it. That's gorgeous on there. And there's as cool as you like it, because that's the way I like it. The centre hole was, I'm guessing, 25 inch. So just plug some dowel in, glued it in, drilled it out to about 11, and then trunked it on a 13mm threaded-ish sort of. I think Arbors saves money. This was the legend that is Mr. Dorset wooden plates, because it was the wrong arbor size for the monster ones that he had, and he had it knocking around the shop for ages. And as rough as I like it, I've just hoofed it on there. So I'm sort of got to learn how to do this now. So I think the phrase is Wessex Blades goes to finishing school. The rain in Spain pours me on the brain.